what's up everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. How about 1,000 real horsepower, 19 GT day? We are gonna go and take a look, tell you how we got here, because that car has been in multiple times, starting in the 680 range, working its way up. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna take a nice long look at that dyno pull. You're gonna see here in just a second. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this car. So this came in last year. A Whipple Stage 2 kit. It's 93 octane with a 375 pulley, and it was making like 680 to the tires through the automatic. And then it came back like a month later. We did a fuel system E85, dropped down to a 3.5 pulley, took it up to 819, which is a sick number. And in that description, if you open it up, I want to add links to the other videos when we made those numbers, so you can like read a little bit more about it. You can email quote@brentspeed.com and say, what's this cost to get built? But how do we get to 1,000? Doug, let's go down and take a look. So like I said, it's the Whipple, it's the Stage 2 kit. We stock these here at Brent Speed. We're in Indiana. Get the big 132 throttle body. We have 1050 injectors, 4 return style fuel system, E85, long tube headers. How do we go from the 819 to 1,000? We did a 10 rib Whipple conversion, running a 3.25 pulley, a 20% overdrive. So that's coming in at about 20 pounds of boost. We did do some other upgrades. I mean, this already had some IRS upgrades. The QA1 carbon fiber drive shaft, Ford Racing half shafts, but it's a sweet car. Like I said, it's an automatic on E. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna look at these numbers here. I gotta tell you, when these things make on E like 800-900, that's crazy impressive. It's super fast, but this is impressive right here. Doug, take a look. 1,012 real horsepower, 7,900 RPM, DynoJet SAE, torque 764, 5,700. Awesome numbers. Look at that graph. This car is gonna be, pretty ridiculous, but it's got awesome upgrades. Like I said, RS. We got good wheels and tires on it. The QA1 drive shaft, the half shafts, and if you go watch those other videos, you'll see more about like the other upgrades we talked about. But of course, this has like all the cooling mods, built oil pump gears. This is a green Goblin. Doug, take a look. That's what he calls this car. Love that emblem. 2019 green Goblin, 1,000 real horsepower. Hey, we're located in Indiana. Like I said, email quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get built? And these Whipples are in stock. For your stock car, 50 state kit, we can ship it right to your door. Leave a comment, happy to answer. Thanks for watching.